it's Kirby. It's Kirby, and today
we're on the train.
Yeah, we're on the train. Just look outside. Oh my God, what's that?
It's a bunch of junk.
Okay. Well, it's kind of cool.
Who's the cameraman, anyways? Oh yeah, it's Big Red.
No, it's me, Kirby.
Oh, it is? I didn't realize you were holding it. Okay,
Oh, I got my hand in the shot. Oops.
Let's, who wants to see Big Bombird? I think.
Big Bombird? It's just Bombird.
Bombird. I'll get him out of my backpack.
Really cool.
Getting him out of... Okay. Hey guys, how's it going?
Say hello to Bombird. And when I inhale him, I turn into Bomb Kirby. Dun dun dun.
Don't do it, okay? I hate your spit. Okay. How's it going?
Shut up, Bombird. Sonic, are you paying Bombird?
What?
Are you paying Bombird, boss?
No. Oh, it's getting loud.
I brought my iPod. Yeah, I brought it.
It's a little loud. Sorry about that. Just the stupid baby.
Well, who cares? Because I can explode and you can't. Woohoo! Yeah! That was frightening. Anyway, Sonic, what's your interview on this?
Hey. Hey, Blue. How's it cool? How's it cool?
When I eat him, I'll turn into Mirror Kirby.
Why Mirror
Dun
Kirby?
dun dun.
Oh yeah, because I can split into 3, which I'm not going to do right now. Because I hate doing it. It's pretty not that fun.
Yeah, the animation isn't in the budget.
Yeah, it was pretty expensive, yeah. Okay.
Anyway, that should be it. Don't you think, guys?
Yeah, and then the next video will be about Kirby on the same train.
Well, maybe. We'll see. Anyway, see you guys this time. See you guys next time.